A worn or slippery brake or clutch pedal can quietly take away the confidence you feel every time you drive your Jeep. This OE-style replacement brake and clutch pedal pad is designed to bring back the solid grip, comfort, and control your vehicle had when it left the factory. Built as a direct fit solution, it is compatible with manual transmission models including 1984 to 2001 Jeep Cherokee, 1987 to 2018 Wrangler, 1986 to 1993 Comanche, and 1995 to 1998 Grand Cherokee, making it a reliable choice for longtime Jeep owners who value originality and performance. Crafted from thick, high-quality rubber, this pedal pad is engineered to withstand years of daily driving, off-road use, and harsh conditions. The carefully molded grooves and center nub mirror the original equipment design, ensuring your foot stays planted even in wet or muddy situations. This not only improves driving comfort but also enhances safety by reducing the chance of slipping during braking or clutch engagement. Installation is straightforward thanks to its precise dimensions and flexible rubber construction. With a little patience to seat all the flaps securely around the pedal edges, the pad fits snugly and stays firmly in place without modification. Once installed, it instantly refreshes the look of your interior while restoring the proper pedal feel that experienced Jeep drivers appreciate. This pedal pad measures approximately 3 inches square and is sold individually, allowing you to replace only what you need or upgrade both clutch and brake pedals for a uniform, factory-correct appearance. Backed by a limited 5-year warranty, it offers peace of mind and long-term value without unnecessary cost. If you want a simple upgrade that makes a noticeable difference every time you drive, this pedal pad is a smart and practical choice. Check the link in the video description to see current pricing and availability. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more high-quality Jeep parts and accessories that help keep your vehicle performing and feeling its best.